Hello everyone, TechAid TV here. In for today's video is we were going to learn how to set and print both sides of a sheet using this Brother DCP-T730DW printer via Wi-Fi direct connection. And I'll show you also how to set up your documents on Microsoft Office Word in order for you to print your documents on both sides of a sheet. And without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Make sure that your laptop or wireless devices is connected directly into your printer's Wi-Fi. Step 2. Open your document. Then here, on our sample document, it has 2 pages, so we were going to print this one on both sides of a single sheet. So to print, we may now click File or Ctrl+P on your keyboard and click Print. Then here on Print Settings, under Pages Options, we have here 3 options. So the option we have here is the Print on one side, Print on both sides, and Manually print on both sides. So here, we have to select the Print on both sides in order to automatically print on both sides of a sheet, and then click Print. Then here, after printing the first page of the document, it will automatically return feed the document and flip to print on the other side of the sheet. Then now let me check and show you the actual printout on two-sided printout on this Brother DCP-T730DW printer. So now we have successfully set up and print two-sided printing on this Brother DCP-T730DW printer, but the two-sided printing features on this Brother DCP-T730DW printer is available on letter and A4 paper sizes only, and it doesn't support on legal paper size. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching TechAid TV.